This is Honors Algebra 2 Pre-Calc. We're doing 10.4 in Pre-Calc. So in example 8, which is actually example 6 on page 731, we're going to classify the conics based on the general equation. So remember, in order to do this, you only need to look at A and C. So as a quick reminder, I'm going to slide this guy over for a sec, right? AX squared plus CY squared plus a bunch of other stuff. But you're looking just at A and C, so the coefficients of the x squared and the y squared. So here, there is no y squared, right? So a is a 4, and since there is no y squared, c is a 0. Since a times c is 0, we're looking at a parabola. Now, you could intuit that without that information by just recognizing that you have a linear y, but you have an x squared, and that's a parabola. In B, right, a is 4 and c is negative 1, right? So 4 times a negative 1 is less than 0, right? If AC is less than 0, then we're looking at a hyperbola, right? And the easy way to spot that we're looking at a hyperbola is that in a hyperbola equation, you know that one of the variables ends up having a minus in front. So the signs are opposite, right? In C, A is 2 and C is 4. So A times C is 8, which is greater than 0. Because they have the same sign, we're looking at an ellipse, right? And then the one caveat to that same sign rule that you have to be careful about is if A and C are exactly the same, right? In this case, in D, A and C are both 2. Then we're looking at a circle, right? So if they have the same sign, it could be an ellipse or it could be a circle. If they have the same sign and different numerical values, then it's an ellipse. If they have the same sign and the same numerical value, then it's a circle. So that's it for classifying.